There it is, the Swan Reserve.
Will be on the right.
We are going to stay here tonight, and it is part of the Swan and Dolphin, which is just across the way. And when you stay at the Swan Reserve, you can use all the amenities, the pools and the swan boats as well. So we're super excited. All right, let's check in. And we made it. We are in the parking lot of the Swan Reserve. There's a look out of it at the outside. And then across the way, yeah, you see the Swan and then the Dolphin resorts over there as well. And in the middle right here is a miniature golf course. We're really excited to be here. We're going to stay the night here today at the Swan Reserve, and we can use all the amenities from the other resorts here as well, like their pools. So we're very excited about that. It's kind of a gloomy day today. It's been raining all morning, but it's not doing it for right now, and I don't think it's going to rain anymore today, but it's barely sprinkling right now, just barely. I feel a little tiny mist, but it is very cloudy still. But we're very excited to be here today. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos. All right, so we just left the parking lot. We're heading towards the Swan Reserve lobby. Across the way over there, you can see the Fantasia mini golf. Across the way, super, super close. There we are. Hi. As soon as you walk in, they have some lemon water. Up there, they have escalators going up or stairs, and elevators. It smells really nice. When you walk in, there is a desk there, but that's not where you check in. You actually have to go up a level in order to check in. So we're going into the elevator.
Number 3.
And we're gonna go up.
Number 3.
To go check in. Ooh, looks like there's a restaurant over there. We're gonna go to the check-in to the right. Some seating area. Oh my goodness, look, there's a Mickey. Yes. All right.
Mommy, look at the peacock.
Oh. Yes. Little bar area. Bright windows. Oh, live music. And then over there is the Swan and the Dolphin. There's like these little cubbies where you can sit on some couches and have some chairs and a table. And right out there is the pool beyond that little half wall, and some seating area out here, as long as another little bar. And then here is, Amare is a restaurant that way, but then over here, grounds is just a little grab and go. So it looks like they have some sandwiches, some drinks, some little snacks, and of course coffee Oh yeah, they have cold brew on tap, cold brew coffee. I love some cold brew. All right. And some more seating out there as well. Oh, and there's a look at the pool. Yeah. Has some fountains coming out. Nice. Cannot wait to use all the pools. And when I say all the pools, we're gonna use this pool, the Swan and Dolphin pools. We're gonna get in them all. We're very excited. So like I said, that's at a different restaurant that way. We are gonna go up to the 5th floor where our room has a view of Epcot. There's me. We made it to the 5th floor and they have this beautiful green palm trees on the wall. Yeah, is that the room for ice? Oh, yeah. A little Mickey mirror. The floor is blue carpet. Gonna go on down to our room. All right, here is the room that we got. When you walk in, there is a full length mirror. And immediately to the right, you have the bathroom. You have a sink, just one sink. You have this brand soap. It is the Swan Reserve Vitamin C Naturals soap. I have a smaller mirror here for makeup, a large mirror, some space underneath as well. And then you have the glass shower. You do have the waterfall spout. You have a regular one as well here. Pretty nice size shower. And then here you have a double closet. Inside there are some robes, some extra pillows, an ironing board. And here's their double beds. Have some artwork on the wall of some people swimming. There's the thermostat that is digital. I'm not seeing any USB plugins over here or outlets on this side of the bed, but they are over here. So this is neat. This is kind of like a rock. And then over here in the alarm clock is some USBs over there. Some outlets behind it as well. And we have the other side of the bed. Looks like palm trees on the wall behind there. And then it does have a door if you have an adjacent room on the other side, adjoining rooms. Over here we have a coffee maker, some coffee, some creamer, some cups. You have your ice bucket over here as well. You have some refrigerator here, a little mini fridge, some drawers. Over here, nice big TV. Oh yeah, a safe. Very good. You have a table over here, the lamp with some more plugins for you, some USB plugs over here on the lamp, and the view. So across the way of the road, see some beautiful waterfalls over here. See if I can get closer up on them on this little walkway over there. Some beautiful waterfalls. And then you have the swimming pool that we can use. Super excited. So have some people in there right now. It doesn't look crowded at all. Nice. And then there you have the dolphin. And then across the way here, you have the swan. And there are some sandy areas over there as well that you can play on. And there are some paddle boats, some there's swan paddle boats that we have done before, and they're quite fun. And they also have a playground over there. Lots of fun things. We're super excited. All right, here's one last turnaround look of our room. We're all done swimming and we just came inside the Swan Resort and just want to walk around a little bit. There is a chill, like smoothie place back there and tortellinis, please. Some kind of Italian restaurant that looks really nice. And then opens up to this beautiful area here. The Swan fountain, and look at the ceiling. Beautiful flowers. And then a Java coffee spot. Oh, cute. We're thinking about getting like a smoothie or something to hold us over before we go to dinners. All right, so we just left the Swan and we're gonna walk over here to the Dolphin Hotel. I love these fountains out in the front. They're just so beautiful. Just for a quick peek inside. And then we're gonna go back to the Swan Reserve. Change clothes, and I think we might go back over to Epcot. Here we are. The Dolphin. I love these fountains. So amazing. But we can also use the friendship boats. Or walk our way over toward the boardwalk. We made it over to our hotel again, the Swan Reserve. Oh, I feel the heat. Yeah, they started a little fire pit for us. It's really nice. Hi everyone, we're back home now. We had a really great time at the Swan Reserve Hotel, and it's part of the Marriott hotels. So you can use your points there at the Swan Reserve or the Swan and the Dolphin hotels. It was very fun. We loved staying there. Our view was amazing. We got to see the Swan and Dolphin resorts very well from our room. Windows were from the ceiling to the floor. And instead of Epcot view, we loved being able to use all of the amenities from all three of those hotels. It was very close proximity to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. You could see Hollywood Tower of Terror right outside our room of the hotel there. It was amazing. And we were able to just very easily walk to Epcot for dinner. We had a fantastic time with our family. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now, it's your family time. Bye.